Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Tuesday, September 15, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, Hurricane Sally will bring the threat of hurricane conditions and life-threatening flooding along the central eastern Gulf Coast due to Sally's slow forward motion. Second, wildfires and poor air quality continues over parts of the interior Pacific Northwest, northern central California, the northern Rockies, and the Great Basin. Third, there is a high risk of excessive rainfall over parts of the central eastern Gulf Coast. And finally, temperatures will be 10 to 20 degrees above average over parts of the Great Basin, northern Rockies, and the interior Pacific Northwest. Sally is moving near the coast of southeastern Louisiana and hurricane conditions are expected early Tuesday. Sally is expected to be a dangerous hurricane when it moves onshore along the north-central Gulf Coast. Multiple impacts are expected with this system: extremely dangerous and life-threatening storm surge, hurricane-force winds, torrential rain with flash flooding and possible tornadoes. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. Sally is forecast to make landfall Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. When Sally makes landfall, the water-related hazards are expected to be the biggest threats to life and property. These threats include life-threatening storm surge, battering surf, inland flooding, hurricane-force wind, and a chance for tornadoes. Sally will bring heavy rain to parts of the eastern central Gulf Coast through Thursday. The WPC has issued a high risk of excessive rainfall over parts of the eastern central Gulf Coast through Wednesday morning. The heavy rain and surf associated with Sally will produce severe widespread flash flooding as expected. This will include areas that don't normally experience flash flooding. Lives and property are in great danger along the path of this storm. Our current forecast calls for 10 to 20 inches of rainfall with isolated amounts of 30 inches over portions of the central Gulf Coast from the western Florida Panhandle to far southeast Louisiana will be the storm total precipitation. Please see the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center for additional and updated information across this area. Residents within Sally's reach should continue to monitor the storm's progress and follow the advice of local officials. Elsewhere, a front will move across the northern tier states to the northeast and southward to Central Plains, Middle Mississippi Valley by Thursday. Behind the front, colder temperatures will move into the upper Midwest with temperatures around 10 degrees below average. Out west, an upper-level ridge over the Intermountain region continues to support the ongoing poor air quality. As a result, dense smoke advisories and air quality alerts are posted over the Pacific Northwest, parts of California, the northern Rockies, and parts of the Great Basin. The fire weather forecast for Tuesday is elevated level in portions of the south-central Oregon, the northern California, and northwestern Nevada. Also, the ridging will keep temperatures 10 to 20 degrees above average over parts of the Great Basin, northern Rockies, and the interior Pacific Northwest. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our daily severe weather outlooks are derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our audio outlooks AI technology is developed, recorded, and digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group, headquartered in Montgomery County, Texas. Have a great Tuesday. Let's all stay weather aware. And thank you for listening.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this Extreme Weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.